Today we talk about how can you disable one-tap trading on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on more down here. So when you click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on trading account, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down, you come here to one tap trading, you just click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color, it's gone. That's mean one tap trading, it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.